Try not to break the cycle. Please don't be a potato. I think I just undigged a potato we planted a few weeks ago by mistake. I just finished burying 2-3 weeks worth of vegetable waste. I had to call it waste. If it ends up in the landfill, it is waste. But if you do this instead, you're just completing the cycle. Try not to break the cycle. Trench composting instead. One of the easiest and simplest way to decompose food waste. Instead of throwing it in the trash bag, most probably plastic bag, trench composting instead. Try not to break the cycle.